Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. Alright, in this video I'll be teaching you how you can successfully copy the contract address of Little Rabbit just in few steps. All you have to do is just to watch this video till the end. By the end of this video you'll be able to learn how you can copy the contract address of your Little Rabbit. Let's go guys. So all you have to do now is to search Little Rabbit. I'll search my Little Rabbit. Okay, this is Little Rabbit. I think I have some coins there. Okay, at the top right corner you will see more like a symbol. You just tap on it. Okay, you scroll down a bit and view it on coin market. View on coin market cap. Okay, now here we are in coin market now. What you have to do is just to scroll down. You see links, contracts, tags. Just tap on the contract and it will copy. You can see copied. So you now go back to your Trust wallet. Alright. Okay, now we're back in Trust wallet. So to show you that I've copied the contract address of Little Rabbit, I will search it on Pancake and know whether it will come out. So let's check it out on Pancake Swap now. Click on dApps and click on Pancake to take you straight to the Pancake Swap site, and all you have to do is just to paste the contract address which you've copied. Then let's see whether it will come out. Okay, I'm going to paste it in select a currency, so I'll tap on it and paste what I have copied. Oh, you can see Little Rabbit. I will import. I understand. So you can see now that's the only way you can successfully copy the correct contract address of Little Rabbit. Alright guys, hope this video was very helpful. The only way you can support us in this video is to click the like button, hit that red subscription button and turn on the notification so that you'll be updated of when we upload important videos like this. Thank you guys and see you in my next video.